Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your Windows 11 desktop into a stunning and functional workspace using Rainmeter. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. Rainmeter is a powerful desktop customization tool that lets you add widgets, themes, and skins to your Windows desktop. It's lightweight, highly customizable, and best of all, it's free. Let's get started by downloading and installing Rainmeter. First, open your preferred web browser and go to rainmeter.net. Now, click on the download button and choose the latest version. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Rainmeter. Make sure to select the standard installation and leave the default settings as they are. Once installed, Rainmeter will automatically start with the basic default skin. After you have Rainmeter installed, explore some amazing skins to customize your desktop. Rainmeter skins are like themes that can change the look and feel of your desktop. You can find thousands of skins on websites like DeviantArt and Rainmeter forums. We've made previous videos as well on which themes are like best for you. And once you've downloaded the skin, click the file to install it. Rainmeter will automatically load the skin and you'll see the new widgets appear on your desktop. You can easily move the widgets around by clicking and dragging them. To customize a widget, right click on it and select Manage Skin. There you can change the settings like color, size and position. Rainmeter also supports plugins that add extra functionality to your widgets. For example, you can add a weather widget, a music player, or system monitoring tools. Simply search for the plugin you want, download it, and install it just like a skin. Once you're happy with this setup, you can save your layout so you don't lose your customization. To do this, go to the Rainmeter settings, click on the layout tabs and save your current layout. You can also share your layout with others by exporting it. And there you have it. Your Windows 11 desktop is now customized and looking amazing with Rainmeter.